So what is the iPhone 11 capable of when it comes to video? How easy is it to shoot super smooth handheld footage using this phone? Well, I thought I'd find out, so I flew from London to New York and pushed this phone's video capabilities to the max. So what did you think? Was that footage as good as what you expected? Because look, I'll be honest with you, I'm completely blown away by what this phone can do. The wide angle lens is a complete game changer. Image stabilization is amazing. There's actually a really strong argument that you don't need a gimbal when shooting with this phone because the shots are so smooth. And the battery life is by far the best I've seen in any smartphone. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see exactly how I shot that sequence, then be sure to watch next week's video where I'll be showing you some behind the scenes footage and giving you a few tips teaching you how to shoot handheld footage just like this. And look, if you found this video useful, let me know, give it the old thumbs up. And if you'd like to watch more content like this, you can do that by clicking over there. But that's it from me. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.